freeway in front of Parliament House is a barrier between the people and their Parliament. Some people also feel that there is a disconnect between members of Parliament and the people. I'm Kate Doust, President of the Upper House, Legislative Council.
And I'm Peter Watson, Speaker of the Lower House, the Legislative Assembly.
It's our greatest desire to bridge that divide, and we want you to experience your Parliament.
We invite you to come visit us at Parliament House. We offer a range of informative and engaging tours, and you can see Parliament in action. And if you can't visit in person, then we hope that the information on this website makes accessing information about your Parliament easier.
Parliament House is not a museum. It's a working building whose role and functions are continually evolving to better reflect the hopes, needs and aspirations of all Western Australians. After all, it's your Parliament.